Picture this. You're dropping the kids off at soccer practice, and suddenly every head in the parking lot turns. That's exactly what happens when you roll up in the 2026 Nissan Armada NISMO. And folks, this thing is absolutely wild. Nissan just dropped a bombshell on the full-size SUV market with their latest creation, and I'm getting my hands on it today. This isn't your typical grocery getter SUV. This is what happens when Nissan's racing division gets their hands on a 3-row family hauler, and the results are nothing short of spectacular. Let's talk power first, because that's where this beast truly shines. Under that aggressive hood sits a twin-turbocharged 3.5-liter V6 that's been completely dialed up to deliver a staggering 460 horsepower. That's a massive 35 horsepower jump from the standard Armada, and Nissan achieved this through clever engine reprogramming and revised valve clearances. The acceleration is genuinely surprising for something this massive, and that active sound enhancement system pumps a satisfying growl right into the cabin that'll make you forget you're driving a minivan alternative. But here's where things get really interesting. The moment you lay eyes on this Armada NISMO, you know something serious is happening. Those fender flares aren't just for show. They give this SUV an incredibly confident stance that screams performance from every angle. The front end has been completely transformed with a larger grille flanked by these aggressive vertical air ducts that actually serve a purpose, directing airflow around the front wheels for better aerodynamics. That front splitter jutting out below might look like it belongs on a Fast and Furious movie set, but it's hiding LED fog lamps and carrying those signature red accents that appear throughout the entire vehicle. Speaking of those red touches, they're everywhere on this NISMO, from the grille highlights to the rear diffuser, side skirts, and even the mirror caps. It's bold, it's in your face, and it absolutely works. The stance has been lowered by 0.7 of an inch, which might not sound like much, but visually, it makes a world of difference. Those exclusive 22-inch forged wheels wrapped in Bridgestone Alenza Sport all-season tires fill out the wheel wells perfectly, and those red brake calipers peeking through are just the cherry on top. Even the NISMO badge placement is unique, sitting right in the center of each fascia below the Nissan emblem. Step inside, and the performance theme continues with a vengeance. Those front seats feature adjustable side bolsters that'll actually hold you in place when you're making the most of that 460 horsepower, and they're wrapped in charcoal leather with red microsuede quilted inserts that look absolutely premium. The red accents flow throughout the cabin on the center console stripe, air vent trim, stitching, and that 12 o'clock marker on the steering wheel that's straight out of racing playbook. The technology package is impressive too. You're getting a Klipsch 12-speaker sound system that delivers concert-quality audio, heated and massaging front seats for those long road trips, and a 3D surround view camera system that makes parking this beast surprisingly manageable. The dual panoramic sunroof and motion-activated liftgate add that premium touch you'd expect at this price point. Now let's address the elephant in the room. This NISMO variant will only be available in a 7-seat configuration, and while Nissan hasn't announced pricing yet, we're looking at something that'll likely start around $70,000. That puts it in serious luxury SUV territory, competing with everything from the Cadillac Escalade to the Lincoln Navigator. But here's what makes the Armada NISMO special. While those competitors focus on luxury and comfort, Nissan has created something that genuinely feels sporty and engaging to drive. The retuned steering and adjusted air suspension give this massive SUV a driving character that's unique in the segment. It's not trying to be a luxury cruiser, it's trying to be fun, and that's refreshing. The exclusive NISMO Stealth Gray and Black Diamond Pearl colors look absolutely stunning, especially when paired with that optional black roof treatment. This SUV has presence, performance, and practicality wrapped up in a package that's unlike anything else in the 3-row segment. The 2026 Nissan Armada NISMO goes on sale this fall, and if you're looking for a family hauler that makes a statement, this might just be your perfect match. Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed this video, hit that like button and subscribe for more content just like this. Leave a comment below with your thoughts or questions. I read every single one, and don't forget to click the bell icon to get notified about my next upload. See you in the next video.